how to change game mode on Minecraft Bedrock and Java. So first of all, I will show Bedrock Edition and then Java Edition. Now, no matter what you are on, you will need to make sure you have the right permissions to change game mode. So if you're on a multiplayer world, you'll need Operator, or if you're on your own world, you can do this no matter what. Okay, so what you want to do is, first of all, for the first method, is you can type in the chat. Now, this is obviously efficient if you're on PC or have a keyboard connected to your console or to your phone. However, if not, it might be a little bit slower than the second method. But to do this, you just go into chat, you type / and then game and then mode, and then you can type C, you can type S for survival, A for adventure, or you can type spectator as well. Or you can type the words fully out. So I'm going to go for spectator mode right here, as you can see. But let's say I want to change it again, and I wanted to go to, I don't know, creative mode. I can then just type C for creative mode on Bedrock Edition. But on Java Edition, you have to type out the full word for the game mode, as you'll see in a second. If you're doing this in a world that doesn't have cheats enabled and you're trying to change to a game mode that requires cheats like creative mode, then this will not work and it will give you an error as you need to enable cheats. As you can see, I just tried to change to creative mode and it says that cheats are not enabled in this world. So if you would like to enable cheats in your world, which means you won't be able to earn achievements, trophies, or anything like that, then you can simply hit the pause button, go to settings, and then in the game settings, scroll all the way down until you see the activate cheats button, and then this will allow you to activate cheats. But for the second method for Bedrock Edition, what you want to do is hit the pause button, go to settings, and then under game settings, which it should be on by default, you have two different things. You have the default game mode, and this is the mode that everybody will spawn in when they first join your world or realm. So you can set this to whichever one of these you want, survival, creative, or adventure. And then you also have the personal game mode, which is your game mode. So you can again set this to either be default, which will be the same as the game mode for everybody, or you can set this to survival, creative, adventure, or spectator. So we're going to go for spectator mode right here, and as you can see, I have now changed game mode to spectator. And obviously, if you get quick at that, you can do it on console easily, mobile, and every other platform as well. On Java Edition, you can type /game mode and then followed by creative, survival, or whatever you want. So in this case, we're going to go to spectator mode right here, as you can see, and then I can type /game mode again and go to survival, and then I can go to survival mode like so. But you can also change game modes on Minecraft Java Edition a different way, as there is actually a game mode menu. So if you hold down the F3 key on your keyboard and you press F4, then you'll bring up this menu, and then you can cycle through the different game modes and go to whichever one you want. So let's say I want to go to creative mode. As you can see, I am now in creative, and if I do it again, I can go to a different mode as well. So hold down F3, press F4, and then let go of F4, and you can keep pressing F4 to be able to select through the different game modes. If you want to learn how to get barrier blocks, which are blocks that are invisible if you're not holding one out, and you can't walk through them, then check out the video on screen.